Okay, then I can push you one more chance. We'll see. This is the second chance. I'm hoping enough time already there for 3 weeks gap, right?
Hmm.
That is the way. Surya, I think where in which folder you are updating, please check it. Surya, you need to improve something. Surya, I'm expecting.
Yes, yes, Ram sir.
Hmm.
Actually, I'm moving to Bangalore by this week.
Ah, okay. Then you will get some time, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Three more. Anyhow, Preeti will join or not. I'm not sure. She is asking some request, personal request. Remaining three, Mahesh and Rajesh. Huh? Rajesh joined. I need to call
I think
personal.
Mahesh only.
Mahesh and Kalyan, Rajesh, you can call. Rajesh, you joined.
Rajesh not joined, I think.
Ma-
Srikanth.
Srikanth will
Srikanth.
call. 1 minute. This fellow is mobile data switching off. So, Yugandhar, you can call Mahesh.
Okay.
Sometimes they switched off. Kalyan, you call Rajesh. You guys are required today first to 10 minutes.
Person you're calling is not on.
Okay. No response of both of them.
Yeah, no response from Mahesh.
Anyhow, both are developers, right? All are not joined. They all are developers, right?
From Mahesh and Srikanth, right?
Yeah, I think they are developers
Yeah, both are
somehow. So
developers.
no problem. We can go ahead. I need only analyst. Yeah.
మీరు కాల్ చేస్తున్న వ్యక్తి సమాధానం ఇవ్వడం లేదు దయచేసి మళ్ళీ ప్రయత్నించండి आप जिस व्यक्ति को कॉल कर रहे हैं वह
Instead of JTAG, I will say ports, open ports discussion. It may be a JTAG. Ethernet switch also. But Ethernet is not our scope. Example, I'm telling you. So this is the today discussion. Okay. You already know that when you performed the Tara analysis, JTAG port is always your high priority. So whenever any port discussions will happen, so now this is the first time when I'm explaining the concepts. I hope I need a open feedback. Anyone JTAG other than Yugandhar, anyone don't know about JTAG?
Ram, are you recording?
Sorry, yeah. Thanks for reminding. So one person joined, Rajesh joined, right? Rajesh, you need to complete homework today.
Ram, my
Hmm?
health is not good, Ram. Actually, I have cold and cough.
Huh?
I have cold and cough, Ram.
Day one itself, I
And
told you, right? Whatever may be, I'm also not well. I'm also going office, teaching 4 batches. I'm also every day not well. I'm stopping. You seen any low in my voice? That is our agreement, right? It is a mission. It is a project. If you lag, then your complete development group is keeping a native mark. I'm telling you all openly. In the group, until DM messages to group you reached means another 4 sessions only you have the chance. Hey, I'm not a friendly man, a friendly guy, man. I'm telling you, you will work good, I will praise you. You didn't work, then upfront I will tell I'm such a person. You will digest or not digest, I don't take. I will give you the indication. You need to be sustained in the industry, you need to work. I can't handle pressure, then up to you. Yeah, but you are working right. I can fight with CU also. I need that candidate. I am such a person of mentality guy. I will make my candidates also like that. I will do any work. You close the company, I will go out. You will give me any work. You will give a testing work, I will do. Development work, I will do. I will make my under Mumandala I'm training, right? I will make such a way. You don't have a project, you closed the company. Okay, I need to respect for that. Your company is there, your company is open, one guy, because all are not got jobs, so who didn't work for homeworks on time. I given a 5 opportunities, five, each batch, five opportunities I given. All are in the day one itself, first interview itself, they cracked, all are worked for homeworks, day one itself. They all are in the good positions. All are didn't work and they told that I went to my in-laws, I went to hospital, I went to there. They are still struggling. So no, don't tell next time onwards this. I respect you. Okay, that is the reason I waited for enough time and all, Rajesh. Not only for you, this message is for all of us. Okay, please complete your homework. Okay. In our group, anyone don't know about JTAC?
So Rama, JTAG I have seen, but functionality
Okay.
wise not sure.
Okay, no problem. Then briefly I will overview. Okay. I will take you like a LGD only. You wrote 3,000 lines of code. Okay. Suddenly, some misbehavior has happened. So, some incident is happening as well. Then you can guess it each line. each line where went wrong, or you are a superpower, then you know each line what is the behavior of that. For example, you are hitting a 300 line, then what is the output you are expecting? 700 line, what is the output you are expecting? That is the one method. That means each and every line you know about the behavior of your source code. Okay. Otherwise, what they will do is they will debug. Even though testing also similar, right? Your
Yeah.
test case is not working fine. What you will do? You can go by step methodology, right?
Yeah, breakpoints we can keep.
Okay. Similarly, breakpoints. Breakpoints also two methods: software and hardware breakpoints. Okay. Usually, you will get to know that this is the tool. This is the one use case. Second use case is currently my issue contain a software version 1.50. Okay. My development is ready with the new software version 1.51. If the testing team, they will reprogramming via UDS flashing. Okay. Complete develop team, they will reprogramming via JTAG. JTAG. Instead of a reprogramming here, you can use like a writing the memory, complete start address to end address. That means it will dump the memory. So any word is also right. JTAG main functionality, you can able to debug the content. And second one is you are reprogramming as well, reflashing as well. These all are the
Okay.
major use cases. Okay.
Okay.
Now then, for example, okay, assume like a this is the your item definition only assume. Okay, your this is the place you have a JTAG port is there. Okay. If this port is open, it is a danger, yes or no, analyst group, I need your voice.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. All analyst, Gerard, yes. Yugandhar, yes. Akshay,
Yes.
okay. Kalyan, port. You will assume like a, it is a JTAG or whatever may be. You will assume like a port. You have a one way. Itself of that way, for example, Kalyan, in your case, you will see in office laptops, Kalyan, your USB port is disabled or enabled? Disabled, right? Kalyan, your voice, yeah, low, but I heard that you told that disabled only, right? Okay, no problem. That means port closing is important, right? Venkat, what about you? JTAG port is closed required or JTAG port open is required?
Yeah.
Closed required, right?
Yes.
Okay, then next example I'm telling you. You already know, right? Before 2019, you will measure automotive source code after 2019. Some people will call before Corona, after Corona, but better I will put a years only. Rudra, any ratios, you will say 1 is to 5, 1 is to 10, 1 is to 100. How drastically increased the source code lines?
As usual, from this
That means before Corona, after Corona, you seen a drastical change or what is that curve?
normal change linear.
Okay. Subham, you will agree for Rudra?
Not for the complex
Maybe if your ECU is a airbag or maybe ABS or something, I can. Rudra, I can support you. But your ECU is a high performance ECUs, right? Adaptive AutoSAR, it is before Corona, where is the adaptive AutoSAR in automotive? Maybe Rudra, you are right. You are working in infotainment, then you guys used it for before 2019 also. There is the high performance architectures. No, right?
Yeah, those are not there
So
at the time.
that is the reason. Drastical changes there. For example, assume like a 20,000 K 20 lakhs lines of code people are calling nowadays. 22 lakhs of line, it is okay. You have a bigger team, then they can. But you have a 20 lakhs of code, lines of code, millions of code. Then two things, right? Your port close is required. Port close is completely different, and permanent disable is also completely different. Port closes, I will say that my pin numbers, okay. I hope before going there, I need to clear two things, S bomb, H bomb. I hope I introduced these terms right, our batch.
Yes. Software bill of materials and hardware bill of materials.
Good. Hardware and software bill of materials, everyone ever, right? Source code is a software bill of material or hardware bill of material?
Software bill of material.
JTAG port is
Hardware bill of materials.
here. For example, I told that example assume like a JTAG. Pin 67, 80, 34. These four pins, port pin numbers 20, 60, 80, 34. This is the my JTAG port numbers, assume. Whatever the controller I'm using, that is the pin numbers, like a four pins I have, 20, 60, 80, 34. I'm closing that pins means what? I'm not giving a chance to anyone directly connecting the pin from outside, right?
Yes.
I'm not disabling, permanently not disabling, but I'm closing the pins. Permanent disable is completely different. Disabling is completely different. That is the reason always remember JTAG port pin numbers when they are asking, you are disabling or permanently disabling. Permanently disabling means you are able to reconnect, possible.
No.
That is the, now in automotive level or any industry, JTAG, any port, you will disable or you will permanently disable.
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 Okay, now everyone, we all are on the same page, right? Or anyone need to know what is disable and permanent disable. Permanent disable means even though someone can open the ECU and they can't connect the pins itself. That port itself they will disable. That port number 20, 60, 80, 34, they will disable permanently. Disable means just they will openly, they can't, they will coat it with some material. They will coat it with some material. I hope other than maybe Gerard Thomas in 90s, where our parents will, our mother, particularly for our mother, where she will keep the cash.
On our persons, I guess.
Some boxes.
No, Gerard, you are well advanced kid. We are not right that. Our My mother treasury also present in the kitchen only. That means where that she will keep like a salt or huh? You all are aware, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So yeah, then so many have a similar experience, right? So similarly, in the ports, what they will do is they will coat it with some material and they will disable the pin connection. Okay, and one more thing, our JTAG port pins are alternate pins are somewhere. One pin is in pin number 20, second pin is in 200, third pin is in 600, like that, or they will give like a 20, 21, 22, 23, like that. JTAG connection, JTAG port, if someone is identified your PCB, JTAG ports, then you are always in that threat. If, for example, analyst group, if someone attacked your JTAG, what is the CVSS score you will get it? Below 9 or above 9?
Above 9.
Above 9.
Oh, yeah, above 9, of course.
Okay, that is root. Always critical only. Someone is attacked you in the JTAG, then that attack is nothing but a critical attack. Rajesh, you can call one more time or Mahesh. Okay, now I need that. Such a severity happened things. Okay, when you are deciding that JTAG port, what are the cybersecurity properties important for you? What are the cybersecurity properties you required? As a analyst group, can you please list out?
Yeah, I'll probably say integrity.
One is integrity. Okay.
Confidentiality.
Confidentiality. Okay.
Authentication.
Authentication also. Okay. Integrity, confidentiality, authentication. Then I need your, then that means you need only 3 goals and 3 claims, right? Or you are thinking, you need the authorization, for example, any property. Today I will give small tips how to be as a analyst, how to be. For example,
Okay.
assume like I told clearly, itself of JTAG, you can learn the things quickly. That means that behavior, you are guessing easily. For example, project, 600 people are working. Okay. JTAG, password. You are giving for 600 people or only for limited people?
Limited people.
Limited.
Whenever you are giving a limited people, when you are giving a limited people, itself of authentication itself you are controlling or authorization you are using. Because 600 people, flashing is required. They all are working. Every day they are developing the code. They need to flash and they need to work it. I'll agree. But before they're fetching, someone is authorizing this guy is my guy, okay, is having access. Otherwise, someone, whenever they need to reprogramming, then you are allocating the separate subgroup and they are reprogramming the issue, how they will maintain. At that time, itself of authentication or authorization is also required.
Authorization is required.
Authorization is required, I think.
Authorization also required. Okay. Availability.
Yes, required as well.
Availability. Okay, then before going there, I need to tell you the life cycle of the ECU. This is the time I will. Uh, you can call them both of them because this life cycle also important. All of them. At least Mahesh and Srikant, you gonna try.
Okay.
But today festival they thought all day or
Calling.
people.
Srikanth is not responding.
Mm. It's
Mahesh also not respond.
he's a newly married guy. That means he's in maybe in-laws house. Looks like development phase. Production. Okay. WRA is warranty written analysis.
Person you're calling is not answering.
Decommission. We'll see. Entry points and exit points are very, very important every phase. Okay. Entry point and exit point. Okay. Again, this is the, I'm treating like entry point and this is the exit point. So, JTAG controller entered here, your PCB is entered here and exited here to enter here. Okay. Sometimes you don't have any issues. After 15 years, you are going for directly decomposing the vehicle. Any incident is happen, then ECU will come to your warranty written analysis also. Now, before this, when you are reprogramming, whenever first time reprogramming, how they will reprogramming anyone, Thomas, including you. You visited any of the OEM plant, check that how ECUs they will reprogram first time. They will manually they will reprogram itself of robo they will reprogram. or where they will keep ECUs, and itself of what they will reprogramming the ECU. Any guesses? OEM plant or maybe customer production line also, maybe tier 1 plant also. First time ECU flashing.
Is the question how they
Using
flash them?
robots and offline.
First time flashing, first time flashing the ECU,
Mm.
every organization they will use via JTAG pins only. Yes, they will keep in a containers and they will flash itself of JTAG ports. Okay, now that means entry point to the production, your JTAG is open or your JTAG is closed.
Be open.
It's
Okay.
open it is.
Open, right? Okay.
Yes.
When you are handovering the production to customer, your JTAG bill of material is present or absent? Exit point is your JTAG ports enable state or disable state?
Disable
Disable
state.
state.
Or okay. When the ECU in the infield, that means your car is running on the roads, end customer. Your JTAG port is enable or disable?
Disable.
Disable.
Good. Okay. When the ECU is coming to decommission, that means 15 years after that, still your JTAG port is enable or disable?
Disable.
Disable.
Disable. When the incident is happened and it came to warranty written analysis, it came entry point is out. It is disable state or enable state?
Disable.
Okay. That means inside the state, what you will do? You need to perform the analysis, right? Then this development guy and this one, two different people or same people? For example, here, if I consider as a tier 1, you are working in a tier 1 company, development. Then warranty written analysis also tier 1 people or OEM people? Who's
OEM.
responsible?
OEM people.
Never be. Warranty written analysis, OEM will give to the tier 1s only. That means that state is there, right? RRA state. That is always who's the developed this particular ECU. Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, please join the class. Hello? Okay, yeah, warranty written analysis. Warranty written analysis is also who developed the ECU. ECUs are usually responsibility of tier 1s. Vehicle is the responsibility of OEM. Okay. Here electronic control unit ECUs, it will give to warranty written analysis means it is also your company premises, your tier 1 premises. At that time, when you are, it will come like a disable state, you need to enable it. You need to enable it. Okay, that time, this pin information they stored in some secret place. This pin information they stored in a secret place. That server, assume like a server. That server is not responding. Okay. Then you need to try after 5 minutes, right? Kalyan, someone pinged you. Hey, my system is not working, Kalyan. Okay. You have your own priorities, right? Kalyan, your team care about that. It is a customer, customer is supporting customer PC, or is supporting only like a only normal project or something. Your team will differentiate anything, Kalyan. You will work based on the ticket, right? Kalyan, you are there. Hmm. Now you guys can tell me
Hello.
available, yeah, Kalyan. For example, you received a,
Yeah, sir. I will work on based on ticket, sir.
you received a 30 ticket, 50, 40 tickets assume, in tomorrow. Then you have a limit, right? Each ticket, how many minutes or how many hours. You have your own system, right?
Yeah, sir.
But you
Based on
can't
priority.
you can't differentiate, right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, now you will see warranty written analysis is your company scope. Okay. These pins I told above pin diagrams, right? Okay. This pin information you will store in some secret place. Now you need a availability or not. Okay. Deciding factor is you need the availability property or not as a analyst. Exactly when I am unlocking the JTAG, when I am enabling the JTAG pins, you need to know. This is your premises, right? When this premises, when it will come, anyone can guess. You have a one shop. You sold that two freezer or two washing machines. What is your wish? They don't want invite your warranty, right? That is the
After
your wish,
broken.
right? Maybe that is the your wish, right? You developed a one product. Okay. It's supposed to be from field to it directly go to decommission. That is my wish. Unfortunately, when very rare cases, sometimes it will come to warranty written analysis. Here, you will keep some money and you will prioritize, or you will say that no, Rama, this availability, if it is not available for at this moment, I can try for another 5 minutes. Now you need the availability or not. Analyst, you need to talk now.
Yeah, it's required actually.
Okay, no problem. That is, I have an architect group, no problem. I will debate with them. Okay, now integrity, confidentiality, authentication, authorization, availability. Okay, now availability, similar example. Okay, I have a Rakesh. Okay, my developer is a really a naughty guy. Huh? Always, I ask him like once any issue coming for warranty written analysis, don't give to development team. And these particular issues already it is initially I disabled, again I enabled, I submitted the analysis. This issue I need to send to scrap actually. But this fellow, instead of sending a scrap, he given to the development team. Now, that is a misuse, right?
Yes.
That is a misuse, right?
Yes.
That means that key is misusing yes or no. Okay, then here I need to tell you another logic. All are Anyone without password or without pin lock? Anyone using a mobile nowadays?
No.
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 With lock only.
Okay. Okay. Once power on. Once power on. Power on. Morning you will wake up and you are powered on the mobile. It is in locked state or unlocked state?
Locked state.
It's locked state.
Okay, then okay, good. Locked state. Then you unlocked. Okay, unlocked, idle, some time period. Configurable time period, right? Idle time is a person to person, it will vary based on your settings. It is idle sometime. Then it will go to which state?
Sleep
Locked
state.
state.
That means locked state, right? I told one issue came to warranty written analysis. I unlocked. Okay. Then after some time, it will go to again locked state, right?
Yes.
Then locked state, what I told that fellow, hey, this is a criminal action will come. This particular issue, so don't use for R&D, send for scrap. Scrap, before scrap, I will tell what is the decommission state, what you need to recommend or something. It is a long run to go. Now, until today, you can use, you need the next property or not. Repudiation is the next property, right? Repudiation is the next
Yes.
property. Now, in this case, you guys need repudiation also. Or you don't want evident.
Required evident.
Then I don't want you analyst group, right? I can keep a one 10th class student and I'll ask every asset you can give me 6 properties. You selected for all 6 properties, right? Now your group as a analyst, I'm giving a 3 minutes discussion. You guys openly discuss, no one will disturb. 3 minutes, please come up with out of these 6 properties, how many properties you required for this topic. Open discussion, please discuss. I will unmute after 3 minutes only.
Can you just repeat the
That
question one time? You kind
and
of
one more thing, you all will talk like a team. Okay. I hope you know your group, right? Akshay
Yes.
is there, Kalyan is there, and the Venkat is there, Yugandhar is there, and even though Preeti didn't join, but Gerard is there.
all right. So are we picking?
You
Six.
you can discuss you all as a team and come up with me. What are the another 3 minutes time for you all? Yeah, please discuss openly.
All right, team. I think. Well, I'll let
Hi,
somebody else go.
Gerard.
Go ahead. You can go, Akshay, if you want to. You can speak.
Okay,
Akshay.
first I'll just this is Yugandhar. Okay, I want to give up here 6 properties we have given already before discussion that in between discussion with Ram. So I only given as a confidentiality. I think it is not required for JTAG port, and here it is required morely uh, authorization and integrity. I feel these 2 properties are important for this JTAG port.
Yeah,
It's
I agree with
my
those two.
suggestion.
I agree that integrity would be one of the biggest ones. Also, like you mentioned, authorization. I'm thinking the authentication too as well, right?
Kalyan, Akshay, your voice I'm unable to hear and all. You need to pitch in. Yeah.
Yeah, sir. We're also going for authorization.
Okay.
Not only property,
Authorization.
what is the point? Why you are suggesting also? Please add it. Akshay, you also share
Yeah.
your voice. Akshay, in your account, you have a 1 crore rupee. Okay. You
Hmm.
have the phone pay, you have the GPay. PM via PM Prime Minister given the authority, you have a limit of a 20 lakhs per day. Then your mobile, someone is unlocking. Then what is the damage? You know.
Yes.
Okay. That means I'm producing a 1 lakh 1 core issues. One schematic is damaged. Complete my collapsed, my system, my design completely collapsed. Because each issue I can't make as a different design, right?
Yes.
So that is the way. Please add your voice. I need to hear all the analyst voice.
Authorization is important to keep limit taxes. Then integrity and confidentiality is also important.
Uh, Before selecting the confidentiality, make sure that where you are, that also such a way. For example, your development, it is your company, yes or no.
Yes.
In warranty written analysis, your company, yes or no.
Yes.
Production, it is your company, yes or no.
Yes.
In the field, it is not your company, right? But here
No.
anyhow, you enabled or disabled?
Disabled.
Disabled. No one can enter, right?
Yes.
Then in your company premises where you are enabling, you will take the password plainly, you will take the password confidentially. That also you can debate.
Okay.
That way, healthy debate today. Next topic onwards, I will give only 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes for you guys, your group. Now, finally, tell Gerard, finally concluded how many?
Team, I think we agreed on integrity,
Okay.
authorization. Oh, I'm still talking to the team. Is it over? Is the team discussion over?
Okay, carry on.
Yep, team. So I'm thinking we're agreeing on integrity, authorization. I'm thinking we're agreeing on authentication too. Is that correct? Kalihan or Akshay or Ivan?
Yeah,
I'm
I think
definitely not.
these three properties fine,
Okay.
but a confidentiality only I have a doubt though, as
Yeah, I agree.
uh,
I think these three are the ones we want to go with. I think we don't think confidentiality is the best fit.
Yeah, I also agree with this thing.
Okay, now I'm telling you. Okay, now I'll tell you something. Okay, before I, that is my responsibility. Tier 1 R&D, BCL, Bangalore. Okay, your KMS center in US. Okay, you need to fetch the password from year to year, and your plant in Europe. When this state is there, right, in the production, what you will do? You will push the password into server, Europe to US servers. When the R&D team of Tier 1, but these three belongs to same company guy, but not in the same location. Company wise, that is the reason. So yeah, same location time, I'll agree. Because you have a strong bond, then you don't want to keep on tell like a please confidential, right? You, for example, okay, Yugandhar and myself nearly 30 years friendship. But if you call that fellow also, he knows me very all each and every what is meant by Rama, right? But I know him what to tell, what not to tell. Like similarly, you are in the same organization, you don't want keep like a hey, please keep confidential, right? I don't want because that is the my main property of my main value. But when I'm keeping a one place to another place, all are three different locations. When I'm fetching the passwords, I need to fetch how much. Otherwise, in between, Subham will come, in between, Rudra will come, in between, SGD will come, anyone can come, right? Please keep in your mind and conclude that confidentiality also. Your server, your R&D team, your plant, never be in the same location. Now, Thomas, Yugandhar, Kalyan, Akshay, Venkat.
But Ram, for that purpose only, no, we have the authorization. Whoever has the only access can.
Okay. Authorization is who will fetch that. Okay. When you, okay, then I will give you, I hope you remember the attack vector, right? Man in middle attack.
Yes.
Yes.
Assume like this is your R&D team. Okay. You always visualize the next concept onwards. You guys supposed to visualize like this. Otherwise, it is a bias only, right? Your R&D team requested the password. Okay. You are out of 6. You will see, out of 600 people, authorization people means only for a 8 or 9 people you given the access. Assume like a authorized people only requested. Now it is responding. It sent that responding. My Surya friend is a clever guy. Anyhow, you know that he is downloaded your content. Downloaded. Now, if it is contain the password, if you don't have a confidentiality, your password is in a plain text, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
That is the way. So, budget, for example, someone will say that when the R&D team is coming, I already prior itself, I created a tunnel via EPN tunnel, then only connected to my server. Whatever the traffic flowing between is, it is encrypted traffic. That is not your R&D scope, right? Maybe that is a server behavior. Then I can transfer to server guys, right? But when the project team member, when you are talking, I'm interacting with the server is responding to me. That time, okay, I need the confidentiality also because it is not there in the same place. If it is there same place, I can trust, but it is not there in the same place, right? Now, confidentiality is required or not required?
Required.
Mm. Everyone?
Yep, can be
Yes.
required. Yeah.
Okay, then
But your physical port is disabled, right? The JTAG.
1 minute, 1 minute. I will come to you also. I don't have that much budget also. Okay. Wait, Subha. Confidentiality, authorization, authentication. These all are the four properties, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. As for
Yes.
analyst, you have four goals and two claims, right? Four cybersecurity goals and two claims accepted by the analyst. Coming to the architects. Now, architects, out of these four, you will take a 4 minutes discussion. All the architects, software and the system together. Okay. Give me your thought out of these four, how many I need to allocate? Surya, Subham, Rudra, SZD is a developer for me, and Ramesh. Ramesh and Saurabh Dev also architect for me. Yes. Surya, Saurabh Dev, Subham, Rudra, Ramesh. This is the turn for you guys now. Please start.
Yeah. So what is the exact question, Lama?
For example, now integrity, confidentiality, authorization, authentication. It is there in that analyst side when the task is coming to architect bucket. They need four cybersecurity goals and two claims they accepted. Claims ignore. Okay. These four properties, four cybersecurity goals. Okay. Out of the four, you need to implement all four, or you will give me a error, one thing your architect group can accept it. Or you will transfer to someone else. Your architect group is transferred to another architect group.
Okay.
Okay, you will take like I'm thinking you all are in from R&D group. Okay, I told you plant is completely different, server is completely different, R&D center is completely different. So this is the contest. Please start.
So, according to me, if we are providing that
Again,
integrity,
I'm establishing the contest. Okay. Before
Yes, GT.
before you are calling, you need to call your colleagues' names and tell your voice.
so
Yes, GT.
yeah, yeah. So my team members, Subham and Ramesh, Surya, and Bhaskar, and Rudra, and Ramesh
Rud-
also.
Yeah.
Rudra, Ramesh, Subham, Surya, your colleagues.
Yeah, yeah. So according to me, so if we are providing the integrity, then
I think confidentiality is not required because if we are providing integrity means data can't be tampered. So, so if we are providing integrity, confidentiality is already taken care of.
Then I will tell you another way.
Then
Oh, okay, I will clear here some doubt for that fellow. House is locked and he kept in a some place. Key. After 15 minutes, Surya visited and he took the key. Surya visited, same key, okay. He entered into the house, he listened, he entered into the house, okay. And whatever you want, he take away. And he locked, kept in the same place. Key. Your key is not modified, right? But damage is happened, yes or no?
Yes.
Then you are an intelligent fellow, the damage you can guess it. You don't care about small things, huh? Then Surya every day, every 15 minutes he is doing the same activity every day.
Okay.
so
Mm.
can we protect authentication by means in the production only we require na, at the development time only. So after that we are going to be disabling it anyhow,
Mm.
so that it will be protect our both of the integrity and as well as the confidentiality. Na. It's my opinion. Is it any chance?
You, for
As from
example,
Rudra?
okay, then Rudra, one more thing. You produced one core issues, remember that. Okay, you produced one core issues. Warranty written analysis came only one issue. This PCU password you are asking from server to give your R&D center. When you are analyzing, right, keep in that mind. That means so many other issues, cars are running on the road. This schema, someone is disclosed, right, that your key secret or something. That is not a good also.
So only that's what authentication and authorization also we have added. So only the authorized person can get that key and he can allow to do the R&D of the topic
Okay.
or
Yeah.
ECU. So as per my understanding, it is required confidentiality, integrity, and in just in between this authentication authorization, two things are not required. That's what I'm thinking, team. So,
Yeah,
but we need
yeah.
to here narrow down that which property we need to consider. So rest we
I
can.
I was also thinking that point might be only authorization might
See,
work.
because authentic person only can he get the key and he can do. I mean, what if he knows that what he has to do? So then, at the time he will get that stuff. So the authorized person only can get this authentic information. So authorization, I believe we no need to keep maintain here. Suppose assume you need to debug, right? You need some you need if you need some board key and all, so you are authorized person already, so that authentic information is the key, you need to get it, so you can decrypt that any if you need any memory or any uh, thing inside that storage location and any pin information, and we can do that. So authorization we can remove. That's what my understanding authenticity, you can keep these three things like integrity, confidentiality, and authenticity. Can That is my view, team, on this point. SGD and Surya and Ramesh.
Yeah,
Subham and Ramesh
Shubham.
as well.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
yeah. I think
Um,
Only authorization is better, so that we can, as phase wisely, we can remove or enable it.
Okay, now Surya, can you please add your voice?
Yes. Here, as the team, like Rudra and all suggesting, I will go with integrity and confidentiality, as the locations must be maybe different, but as we have like this in whatever the key or the information we are having, the user or user means here I'm saying the developer is at that place and everything is set already. So authorization is not that much uh, key factor or the property required over here. So I'll go with integrity and confidentiality.
I doubt on the integrity because the thing is like if we are providing the confidentiality and the authorization, so and the physical port is disabled in the field, so integrity can't be tempered. Like the data can't be tempered because you are maintain the confidentiality and authorization person can only access, and in field you have a physical location blocked. So integrity somewhat it's very rare and it can't be compromised on the field.
Uh, you always don't go for a field like that is the reason I told you. You will see this diagram, JTAG diagram. It's supposed to be print into your brain. This is the one thing. First diagram. This is the second diagram. You will see. Plant is also your company. Tier 1 is also your company. JTAG, infield, always no need at all. You never request your server JTAG password give me in the field when the ECU in the. You will request only when the ECU in the warranty written analysis. When you requested, then you can visualize the scenario. Your R&D center requested the server. That time server is responding. Then someone is man in middle attack is happen. Then what is the problem for you? You stored a Subham is the key. Man in middle, Surya modified to Ram. Then your R&D center will enter Ram or Subham.
Ram.
Then it is a mismatch, right? If you have a integrity property, your R&D center will, before entry itself, it will give back to the server. I received a incorrect key, right?
But you have maintained the confidentiality, right? So man in the middle attack.
Confidentiality only like a it not disclosing. That's it. Surya don't know about it is a Ram or Subham. What he will do is manipulation, right? Confidentiality, what property? For example, if I'm writing a 2000 rupees here, Subham, Surya can read this value, yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, then I written like this. That is nothing but confidentiality. It may be 2000, it may be max value 20,000, right? Or 20,999 also possible, right? All nines means 29,999 is also possible, right?
Yes.
But he can't guess it. What is that remaining? That is nothing but confidentiality. Don't confuse with integrity and confidentiality. That is the my message. Subham, as a architect, integrity don't compromise also. Subham, it is clear or
I'm clear, but the thing is, like, suppose this.
hmm.
So, but you need the physical access to, like, your physical attack
that
vector is needed, right?
that is the you can downgrade criticality and everything will you can downgrade physical access in the sense physical access is required. That is the reason I am telling you in the field you can run freely. No one can. If someone physically access also, you need to enter a password. That password is there in my server. My server will respond only for a dedicated people.
Exactly. So the integrity can't be tempered in the field, right?
You are not using this one also in the field. That is the my message I'm telling you. You are using this particular activity where inside your warranty written analysis center.
On that rational, yep. Integrity can.
I told you number of times security maintenance one claim you need to you submit the evidence within hours. That time you are not maintaining your properties correctly and incorrect data you are entering, then it is a problem, right? So integrity you never be compromised as an architect. My session as well, and even though you also think in that direction,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
confidentiality, integrity, okay. Authentication and authorization, which one you will go ahead with? Please let me know.
Authentication then.
Authentication. Now your wish is authentication, right? Now analyst authorization is they accepted. Now you can debate analyst group and architect group. Now confidentiality. Please, you can start parallelly. Who will take the lead role? Subham, you will take, or Surya, or Rudra, or Ramesh. Analyst group, who is your leader now? Lead role for you, behalf of your voice. Otherwise, all are collaborate and discuss.
Yeah, we discussed on the, like, 4 out of 3 is on the same, like confidentiality, integrity, and the authentication. We only think of the authorization is not needed since we are securing and maintaining the authentic password to access the things. So what's the point? Like, what is the rationale that we choose the authorization as well, in addition to the authentication to access? Uh, Analyst, have
Yeah.
you some back rationale onto that?
Yeah. If the question is why authorization as well,
Hmm.
it's to make sure that, only authorized users are allowed to access it, even within the organization. So there could be bad actors that may try to, do whatever nefarious things they want to, right? So my thought was having it in there just so only authorized personnel could use it or in transit or whatever may happen, right? We're trying to protect.
Hmm.
So my
But if
thought.
we are having the authentic password being protected, so that means authorization is always going to be inbuilt if we secure the proper authentication to access it, right?
No. All right. Authentication and authorization is different
Authentication
things.
is identity.
See,
Authentication
yes,
is just a
exactly.
Yeah.
identity.
The right way.
Authorization is a you always say access control or a role based.
Correct. Yeah. So if we look at role-based or access control, you don't want, like if I had a sticky note on my desk with a password, you don't want somebody else to be able to use that. We only want the correct people to have access to this. Right. It's how I view it. I mean, I could be wrong, but that's why I think authorization would also be required, along with authentication. I think that's why we chose both of them.
Uh,
So as we also know,
Gerard, can we
when
protect
we
authentication by phase wise, like a development phase? That means only enabling it at the development phase and disabling at the production,
No, no,
like
no,
that?
no. How the
No, it,
that
it won't.
whatever you are mentioned, right? That is a again a authorization only. You need. I can't give budget as a manager. I can't give like analyst is for poor properties means where is your intelligence? Now you
my point
told
here
three,
would
I'm
be
okay. Authorization. Now you can convince your analyst, right? You already discussed. You discussed in the room. You all are agreed. All architects are agreed. Now when the analyst group, you can convince. I can keep into client. You'll
so
take
as an
your
analyst.
ownership, right? Something is happen, you can take. That is the way you need to debate. You need to warn, right? When they're debating, then you can convince them like something will happen, we can take it.
My point would be as analysts to architects that see, as we all have learned already, in the attack vectors, like human attack is the most dangerous one. Me being an authorized person, I can be compromised. I can give access to even unauthorized people also. So that one thing's key. Even means yeah, I accept that. Like in field, it is different situation. But when it is at warranty processing or some other thing, like what to say, like inside premises, it can be compromised. Like yeah, that's my point. Maybe
Okay, Gerard team. Now I'm keeping a claim authorization. You all are okay, right? It is accepted by the this first two accepted by the analyst group, and the second two, last one is accepted by the authorization is accepted by my architect group. Is it fine for you all?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now coming back to the development team. Development team. I think Bhaskar architect for me. Bhaskar.
Yeah, yes.
Hey, that is the reason I given this much time. Bhaskar, you are architect for me, right?
Yes,
You need
yes,
to include into their group, right?
yes.
And now you can tell me your why is. Okay. Integrity. What is the method you are suggesting for the development people? Don't tell solution here, only integrity, just what meant by integrity, that's it.
Like tampering, yeah, that's all.
Tampering,
Yeah.
okay. That means integrity will achieve with help of some crypto levels, right?
Yes, yes.
Via which one you will prefer here?
Authentication.
Don't
Crypto.
confuse me more. 1 minute. Confidentiality. Which crypto operations you will use? Today, each and every team member, please explore all the tools again. Confidentiality, how you are achieving, which crypto operation, Bhaskar, you performed. Okay, then I will tell you
Like
another way. Okay, maybe I will change this time. Rama, please keep confidential. Then which operation you will perform, tell me.
encryption.
Hmm. Okay. Confidentiality property will let you with help of encryption. All developers, whenever I will say that confidentiality, it will be encryption. In the second time, developers second time discussion time, what type of encryption? It is symmetric encryption or asymmetric encryption. Symmetric encryption, then AES 128, AES 192, or AES 256. Okay, AES 128. Then ECB mode, CBC mode, GCM mode. Then what is the value for key? What is my initialization vector? These all will be in the our second time of discussions. Okay, first time you need a confidentiality means encryption. Okay, you need the integrity. Then what are the operations you will perform?
Schmack, CMAC.
Bhaskar,
Yeah, yes.
uh,
Hashing.
integrity.
Yeah,
You
like
will say,
hashing.
yeah, sure. Secure JTAG time. I told you are in Bangalore, your server in the somewhere. Okay, your plant is somewhere. Such a time, hash is a secret one. Any key you are using for hashing?
Yes, like CMAC. Yeah.
Okay. Mhm. Okay, now it will go to Ramesh. Authentication, what you will suggest for your development team as architect? Authentication in the automotive level, what type of authentication you guys are using? Single sign-on, multi-factor authentication, what type of sign?
Yeah.
Fast. You developed a tool.
Multi-factor.
Okay,
Yeah,
mutually
single
authentication.
multi.
That means secure. You aware your secure diagnostic is nothing but a secure access is nothing but authentication check only.
Okay.
Okay, secure access you can mention. There you will use a seed and key method or challenge response. We will debate in the second stage of the concept.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Now, authorization. Subham, what you will do?
Like kind of password protection.
Digital signature.
Authorization.
Okay, okay.
Authorization, remember.
Yeah, I'm confused with authentication.
Authorization. That means you need to create these some roles or always access controls or
Hmm.
role based access control.
Role-based access controls.
Role based.
We'll see how what is the access control, how you will create. Maybe that means you will have a list. This list of people only able to give this request.
Hmm.
Okay, that is the way. Now developers, you will see secure JTAG time. Second time explanation time, my complete development team will agree. Now you will see I written 4 year. So four are authorization. Authorization also agreed, right? Architects
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
agreed in it. It is a goal or it is a claim.
It is not. It is
A
a
claim.
claim. It is a claim,
Claim,
not goal.
not a goal.
Not goal, but you didn't convince. But here I written ACL and RBAC. It is required or not required now?
It's required. It's cool now.
Gerard, Gerard and analyst group.
Yeah, from my point of view, it's required. Like,
Okay. This is the time I need to give to architects homework. Okay. In your experiences, total how many controllers, microcontrollers you've done? At least minimum 3 JTAG, JTAG methodologies you need to know. What are your goals you implemented? Earlier, you don't know about this process, right? It is a discussion. Then only we need to decide which property we need to protect, which property we need to compromise, right? Now you go back and check it, at least 3 JTAG microcontroller designs. That is the your goal. Analyst is top 20 attacks per JTAG ports. For analysis, you need to perform. And attack trees, you need to draw. Top 20, at least attack trees, attack top 20 attacks for JTAG ports for analysis, and the attack trees at least minimum 15 is required. Max is 20, up to you guys. Then only you can debate with your architects. Now testers and developers, today framework, Arita and Anand. Testers.
Yes.
You need to be ready with your framework, right? Test framework. Test framework for encryption, test framework for integrity, test framework for secure access, test framework for access control. When the second time when I'm discussing, you need to write the top test cases as well. As of today, you need to know your framework. Similarly, developers, you need to know about all crypto operations details for JTAG. All the crypto operations. Only operation name sufficient. Don't do operation now. For example, your team selected like a integrity, then you need to know, right? Out of any crypto operation also, you need to be ready that day. Hey Ram, I don't know hashing, that is not allowed. That is the reason first to practice the tools, then I enter into the discussion of a topic. Integrity, you need to know about hashing, CMAC, digital signature, HMAC. Confidentiality, encryption, may be symmetric or asymmetric. Authentication, you need to know about how you are have calculating the key. Small logic, any logic is fine for me. Authorization, you will need to create a role. How you are creating role is up to you, right? Whitelist and blacklist. That means you have a 300 CAN signals, you can make a differently, right? How many receiving, how many transmitting. Similarly, you have a 6,000 people working out of 6,000 people. How you are differentiating 100 people for authorized people for debugging. All crypto operations of JTAG you need to familiar.
Ram,
Yeah.
Ram, in crypto, you explained confidentiality and integrity, right? So in
Yes.
authentication, authorization, it's not explained, I think, right?
Next class, you will, for example, authentication is okay. Okay, I will tell you another way. Gmail, you have login ID, right? Then you have password, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is nothing but authentication, right?
Yes.
Similarly, I teach you already how what is your key. Yes or no?
Yes.
This key logic, I will give 2701. I will get the seed. 2702. I will give the key. Anyhow, next class I will teach you this topic, then we will debate.
Okay.
But you need to know about I will say authenticating. You can tell me, right? Hey, Ram, this is my identity. Prudvi, this is my identity. I'll agree for that. Authorization, you can see Prudvi, Ram, before approaching Prudvi, okay, first I'll check identity, okay, identity, then I will authorize. Identity itself incorrect, I don't want authorize. That is the reason you will go and see when you are entering into the airport, security guy will check only like your expiry date of passport is there or not. He will check passport only start date and expiry date. You have the valid. Other than that, you don't check anything. Immigration, they will authorize you yes or no. So
Yes.
that differ is there. That is the reason. First authentication, then authorization will come. Developers, any other? That day, if I will ask encryption, you need to perform encryption straight away. That is the reason not got a confidence. Please practice now at least this first class, right? This is the way we will discuss remaining all the concepts. Okay, I'm hoping all are enjoyed and happy Pongal, all of you. Rest of the time, please enjoy. Okay, see you on Saturday. This is the model. Any changes required or anyone, analyst group, architect group, or developers or testers. Two more time we will discuss the same concept. Second time you will implement this concept. Implementation for this concept means what? These all are crypto operations you need to perform. That is nothing but a implementation. Surya and Subham group. Any questions here?
No, no, Ram.
I hope you got the clarity right.
Yes.
Okay. Then this one and I will provide you the PPT. Compare. PPT contains some details also. Meanwhile, you can explore your homeworks. Some people already are given the yellow cards and all. Don't be convert your yellow to be green. I'm expecting not be red. Surya, how many more days you need when you are moving to Bangalore?
By this week, it get confirmed. Like tomorrow, today only, because
Hmm.
they are having some holidays. So today I'll get confirmation.
Okay. That means how many more days you need the waiver? Only two more or you need
This
more time?
2 more days. So today I'll get confirmation that whether I'll tell you Manyata Tech Park. I don't know where it is. So they're
Hmm.
saying you have to sit over there. You have to come over there. So I'm just
Okay.
asking for some days, like for everything I have to settle over here and I have to move. I'll tell you. But in today only I'll get this confirmation.
Okay then. Please do today onwards, JTAGs don't come until tools and you can practice tools and even though your work of architect, don't miss it and all. You need at least three JTAG microcontroller designs you need to be review. Your
Sure.
wish. It may be Renesas family or Infineon or ST Micro, Samsung, NXP, Qualcomm, anything is fine for me. Okay. All your homeworks also clear, right? Yeah. Yeah. Thank you all and happy Pongal, all of you. That remaining that people please stay C programming guys and programming guys. Remaining all please leave for the day. Yeah. Thank you all.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, how are you all?
Good, Ramu.
Arita, that day you didn't join the call. You were busy, or what happened that day? I called you.
Yeah,
Jayshree, anyhow, it is not belongs to you. So, what happened,
like
Arita?
phone was not with me. I was outside.
Okay, but I got to know from someone, Rajesh or Prithvi mentioned, you are below 5 years only, eh?
Yes, yes,
I, uh,
3.7 years.
okay, no problem. That is only for 8 plus. No problem. That is the reason personally I didn't call. Uh, and how you guys are doing these programs and all? Enjoying, or you are feeling a bore, or I need to improve the some more depth level of the program, or what is your thoughts, Harita?
The basic interview questions I have already completed. Now I am moving to scripting.
Uh,
So I'm not sure. I'm taking the basic Python modules of scripting and learn. Is
okay.
that okay? Or you have to take in any specific modules? What do you
Uh,
suggest?
okay. Now today, that is the reason I'm giving you all of you a other than Jayshree. This question is belongs to all of you. Uh, this question is belongs to all of you. If I will give a any Excel file input, okay, I will show you that Excel sheet how it looks like. You will see. You are able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay. These all are the keywords. Okay. These all are the keywords. Okay. I will give you later these keywords plus this keyword Excel sheet, and you need to develop a script. If I will pass as any document as a input, if any of the keywords are present, then it will come to separate Excel sheet like a this is a requirement drama. That means if I'm giving as a some document social subject, it will find any cybersecurity keyword, Arita. I given a subject is a social.
Yes.
It will find any cybersecurity there.
No.
If I given as a cryptography,
Yes.
it will find, right.
Yes.
That is the reason when you received a Prithvi, you remembered or not? Long back, I told you this
Yeah, I
topic.
did it, Ram.
Okay. I already given to you, or I'm not yet given.
Yeah, you gave to me already.
You done or not done?
Yeah, I done and I shared the path also.
Now this is the same work. GUI level, how effectively you will do it. You can concentrate, Prithvi, and remaining all. I need your presence for this. You develop a same script. That is the only one work for today. Is it fine, all of you?
Can you please repeat like what exactly we have to do?
Okay, then Prithvi, you can your views you can share means your colleagues you can share. No Ram, it is confidential. Then I will only tell my expectations for them.
No, it's okay, not an issue. I'll share.
Yeah, please explain them or 2 minutes
Okay.
only. Yeah.
The thing is that actually we have to develop a tool. So if the anything, suppose we have a document there. more than 1,000 words or 10,000 sentence are there. So there we, if you're going with a single each word, each document, it will take a lot of time. So that we have to develop one script. So is there anything related to the cyber security? We have to find that in the document. So suppose we have a more than 500, 600 documents, we can't be able to go through each documents, right? So that we have to develop a tool. So is there anything related to the in the cyber security related keywords are there in the document? We have to find it. That's it. So we have to develop the tool. The cyber security related keywords that Ram sir is going to provide you the keywords. Otherwise, you can create your own keyword list. That's it.
Okay, so we should be able to upload multiple files, and if any file contains the keywords, so in the output, I should have the name of the file.
No need to upload the file. So if it is there already file, so we have to fetch that file and then we have to find it. That's it.
Okay, okay, got it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, then today folder class material, I'll keep the keywords also.
Yeah.
Otherwise, in the class material, I'll keep the keyword file. Please use that file also. Keyword file only for you guys. Okay, 1 minute. I'm uploading now itself. Yeah, please find that word. Okay, in the class material, I kept the file. Please check it. You are able to see, right?
Yes, sir. We can able to see.
Yeah, then that is the only work for today. J3, whatever pending side from your side are there, right? Otherwise, you will try means you can try. That is scripting wise, it is easy, but C programming little okay, a little bit, but you will try means nothing wrong. You can try. You have the open sources also now. Okay, Jayashree?
సార్ సార్ ఒకసారి చెప్పరా సార్ నేను కొంచెం పక్కకి వెళ్ళాను
ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ జేటాగ్ అది ఒక స్క్రిప్ట్ ద్వారా చేసే పని.
ఓకే సార్
Yeah, it is a via you will develop a script. You are familiar with Python, you will try means you can try. Okay, C also possible. No, I'm not saying that it is not at all possible. You are trying means it is well and good. Otherwise, you will concentrate about your pending programs and all. No problem for me. Okay.
Yesterday class only pending, sir. That's it, actually.
That is the reason I'm telling you, right? Whatever the pending things, you can concentrate about that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then see you all in Saturday. Take care.
Ram, can you make that keyword list to be downloadable or editable?
Okay, then I need to give edit access, huh? Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Your group, I'll give edit access.
Ram, otherwise you can give download actually.
Waller, Arita, right? Saurabh Dev. Olar I need to give. Saurabh Dev is here.
Ramesh.
Ramesh also. Batkala Ramesh, right? But Ramesh. Kalyan is not here. Rajesh?
Yes, Ram.
Pati Rajesh, right? Jayshree, you are able to see that file?
Which files actually?
In the class material, I kept some. What
పృథ్వీ కాల్ డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయిందమ్మా, మళ్ళీ లాగిన్ అవుతున్నాను, యాక్సెస్ అవ్వలేదు, ఎవరు రావలేదు కాల్లోకి అని. బాగా ఉన్నారా? ఓకే. అది నన్ను ఏదో చూడమని చెప్పారు కదా, సరే నాకు